Hello everyone, I'm Romain, product champion at Energis. My job is to analyze and extract the value hidden in the energy data of our customers and to deliver it to them in a way that helps them making savings. Today, I would like to present to you our new eApp, the eGuardian. It is designed to detect consumption anomalies early on and to help our customers focus their effort where it matters the most. With this eApp alone, we were able to identify more than 250,000 euros of wasted energy for a French fashion retailer with about 200 stores. This means that 9% of their total consumption can be saved with the eGuardian. Let me show you how it works. Assume you're in charge of making energy savings for a portfolio of stores, which is maybe your case. Based on the EAN codes of the main electricity and gas meters of your site, as well as their geolocation, we will start collecting their energy consumption data along with the matching weather. All we need is 1 year of historical data, which we get directly from the grid operator. Our AI modeling engine will then analyze this data to extract any regular patterns such as occupation, but also special events such as holidays or exceptional working days. It will then identify a digital model of the consumption and use it to detect any abnormal consumption with high precision. From here on, you will receive an email every time an issue is detected on the site, and we will pinpoint to you where the most important wastes are located so that you can focus your actions where it matters the most. We will also give access to you to a simple dashboard that will help you swiftly identify the root cause of issues. In this case, for instance, we were able to detect a failure of the energy regulation at night early on, and were able to take action and prevent it from happening again in the next days. That being said, we know that energy is not the main activity of retailers, let alone shop owners. This is why, thanks to the high accuracy of our models and the high degree of customization of our solution, we take a lot of efforts to make sure only the most important alerts are sent out and to calibrate our system to adapt to your energy management capacity. As a portfolio manager, you will also have access to an eagle-eye view, allowing you to see all your sites in one go, with the detail about all the generated alerts. You will also see some global figures letting you know about the portfolio's performance overall. The solution is quick to install and adapts to any type of retailers, ranging from large hypermarkets to small shoe stores, or even other types of buildings for that matter. So, if you're managing a portfolio of stores and are struggling to find where to start to generate energy consumption savings, or if you're just looking for a way to engage your collaborators in your energy transition, or you're just maybe interested in our solution and our other eApps, then make sure to follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube. Thank you, and see you around.